VPN is the acronym for Virtual Private Network, a technology that allows you to connect one or more computers to a private network, usually via the internet. Even though this approach is not new, in recent years it has become more relevant, mainly due to new trends in the way companies work, and also because more users want even greater levels of online privacy. Why use a VPN? A VPN allows you to connect securely and remotely to private networks. You can also link to many different networks and even servers in a safer way. It allows you to surf safely on public Wi-Fi networks, at shopping malls, hotels, and coffee shops, and allows you to bypass internet censorship or regional restrictions on content and sites. VPNs also help prevent man-in-the-middle attacks, which is when a cybercriminal intercepts legitimate communications by assuming the role of an intermediary and simulating a normal connection. How does a VPN work? Let's first think about how a connection is generated. We can represent it as a pathway with a start and end, and with different control points through which data packets travel. When using a VPN, an encryption and authentication layer is applied to that pathway in order to protect the network traffic where the data packets travel. This technique is called VPN tunneling, which creates a secure communication channel within a network of computers. Therefore, in this tunnel, this communication channel, data that is traveling along the pathway is protected. All of the intermediate nodes that are involved in the communication will interact with the packet, but it is only at the end of the communication that the information is revealed and decrypted for use. For its part, the authentication layer will verify the identity of the users and restrict access accordingly. Those not authorized will not be able to get in. Now that you know how a VPN works, why not start using it along with antivirus solutions and data encryption systems? It'll ensure your information is secure and private, meaning you can keep on enjoying safer technology.